What if there was a song that started off like boop 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 boop, and the bass went like boom t boom t boom dun, and the drums would go like boom t boom t boom t boom. There's something missing. There should be like a weird sound effect. Just a random noise or something like that. Here, let me turn this light on. Oh my god. Okay, I know this is really, really weird, but I just want to... There. Here's the light switch sound. Tell me on the night switch. This is actually kind of dope. I'm freaking out right now. If there was a guitar that went bang, bang, bang. And there's got to be like some sort of plucky guitar that goes bum 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 bum. Wow wow. All of a sudden I'm mesmerized. I think it sounds good without the drums. All of a sudden I'm hypnotized. It needs the drums. That sounded like this. I need like an annoying ning 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 ning. Ja 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 ja. It's literally my record label calling.
Come on, Charlie, you're almost done with the song.
Jeff, I gotta finish the bridge. I'm literally making a TikTok right now.
Like, come on, stop making TikToks.
Why did he keep saying come on? Come on, come on, come on. Uh-oh. Come on, come on, come on and show me how you do. Come on, come on. I really do have to finish this song. What if it started off like I wanna be the love still. No. Absolutely not. Wow, that truly sucks. Jake.
Yo.
I have no idea how to start this song off.
What if you did it in the beginning, and then you went 7:30?
I love that. I'm calling J Cash now to figure out the lyric. Cash. So right now the melody is 7:30.
It's gotta be like, why you calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty?
Yeah!